Take a ride in the 2018 Tiguan. With Volkswagen Tiguan, it's good to be turbo. Turbo with class, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, privacy glass. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
Every certified pre-owned Volkswagen comes with a limited warranty, 24-hour roadside assistance, and peace of mind knowing that it passed a comprehensive inspection. That's 3 major reasons to go out and buy yourself a certified pre-owned Volkswagen. See your dealer for details.